good to be here.
It's good to be here.
Good to be here.
Is that what she said?
Good to be here. So, everything is good in here. So, nothing is good about Mama's hair.
Nothing is good about Mama's hair. That's not very nice.
I do in my eyes, and I do everything I want to do. See you.
Do you like watching yourself while I'm taping you on my phone?
So yes.
So yes.
And so it's good to be here again.
Is that it? Are you tired?
It's good to be here again.
Are you tired?
No.
You sure? Maybe a little bit?
No.
No. Are you silly?
No.
What are you?
I know. I know. Nothing.
You're nothing, huh?
Look at me. I have my eyes tied. Where's my other eye? Right here? Ah, I found another. See, it's good to be here, so it's pleasure.
It's a pleasure.
So Mama's here.
Yeah.
I like Mama Dewey.
You do like Mama Dewey?
Mama Dewey is sweet.
Yeah, I have my moments anyway. Is that it?
Nah.
Why don't you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Blow kiss?